In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate your Godaddy website in just 5 minutes. This straightforward guide is perfect if you're looking to make your website more accessible to international visitors, or if you just want to broaden your site's global appeal. First things first, let's navigate to the Godaddy website. Once you're there, locate and click on the Sign In button. This button is typically found in the upper right corner of the home page, but its exact location might vary slightly depending on any updates to the Godaddy site layout. Rest assured though, it's easy to find. Now you will be prompted to enter your Godaddy account credentials. Carefully type in both your username and password. It's essential to ensure accuracy here to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your password, there's usually a forgot password link nearby to help you reset it. Don't rush through this step. Making sure you're entering the correct information will save you time in the long run. Once you've entered your details, go ahead and click on the Sign In button to access your Godaddy account dashboard. This dashboard is your control center where you can manage all aspects of your Godaddy account, including your website. After you're signed in, let's get to the part where we translate your website. Right click on the page. This might feel a bit unusual, as we often navigate websites through direct clicks on links and buttons. However, right-clicking will bring up a browser-based menu. This menu contains a variety of options, but for our purposes today, we're interested in one in particular. Look for the option labelled Translate. It might be sitting amongst other options, possibly related to viewing page source or inspecting elements, but it's there. If you're using a browser like Chrome, it might even detect that the page is in a different language and offer the Translate option more prominently. Clicking on Translate initiates the browser's built-in translation feature. This functionality is quite remarkable as it allows web pages to be translated into a variety of languages on the fly. However, keep in mind that these automated translations may not always be perfect. They're continually improving, but nuances in language can sometimes be lost or incorrectly translated. This is something to be mindful of if you're relying on this feature for key informational or transactional pages on your site. To ensure the best results, consider selecting a primary target language if prompted. Some browsers will allow you to set preferences for translations, including choosing which languages you commonly want web pages translated to. This can be a handy feature if you're targeting a specific demographic or if you know that a significant portion of your audience comes from regions speaking a particular language. And there you have it. In just a handful of steps, we've accessed the Godaddy website, logged into our account, and translated a web page. This quick process can significantly impact how accessible and user-friendly your website is to non-English speakers or those who prefer content in their native language. It's worth noting that while using your browser's Translate feature offers a quick and easy way to make your website multilingual, for a long-term solution, you might consider a more integrated approach. Many website platforms, including Godaddy, offer plugins or services designed explicitly for website translation. These options often provide a more seamless experience and can handle dynamic content, such as form inputs or e-commerce platforms, more gracefully than a browser's translation feature. Translating your website is a big step towards making your content more accessible and expanding your reach. With the internet making the world smaller every day, embracing multilingual content on your website can set you apart from your competitors, improve your site's engagement, and open up new markets for your business or blog. Whether you're using a quick browser translation for immediate needs or setting up a more comprehensive translation service, the effort to make your website more inclusive is undoubtedly worth it. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your Godaddy website translated quickly and effectively. Stay tuned for more tutorials that help you make the most of your digital presence.